In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change username on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to Instagram app and then head over to your profile. That's where you can easily find your current Instagram username right here. That is my username. And now if I want to change it, I need to tap right here at edit profile, and that's where we can easily find the username. If we tap at that field, we'll be able to change it. So now we can delete this username just like that, and then we can enter a new one here, and if it is not taken by anyone, we'll be able to tap at done to save the changes. Please note that within 14 days you will be able to change your username back if it is still not taken by someone. That's how you can easily change username on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.